A very warm welcome to my channel Rajni and Champs. I request you all to watch this video till end, and if you like it, please don't forget to give thumbs up. Hello my dear students, how are you all? Say I'm fine, thank you. So like I promised, I'm back with the concept of these and those. These and those are used when we talk about more than one noun or object that are close to us or far away. Okay children? Now let us quickly revise this and that. This and that we use when we talk about one object. Singular. Okay? Whereas these and those are used when we talk about more than one noun or plural. This is Tina, and these are rats because they are more than one. So we will use these, and it is near Tina. So Tina will say these are rats. In this picture, rats are far away. Now Tina will say those are rats because they are far away from Tina and they are more than one. Okay? Let's do this exercise. We use these when the objects are near. What will come here? These caps are near to us. So we will write THESE. These are, because it is more than one. So we will say these are caps. CAPS. Next, THESE. These ARER. Now it is, how many pens are there? More than one. There are 4 pens now, more than one. So we will say pens. PEN, and we'll add S. Okay? These are pens. They are near to us and they are more than one. So we'll say these are pens. We'll use R with plural. Okay? Now these are THESE. These ARER. These are colors. Crayons, na? These are colors. COLOUR, color, and we'll add S to show plural. These are colors. Next, THESE. These ARER. These are more than one fruit, na? So we'll say fruits. Fruit, spelling of fruit, 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 and we'll add S to show plural. These are fruits. Next, THESE. These ARER. These are bats. BATS, bats. These are bats. To show plural, we use R. Now what are these? What are these, children? These are books. Answer is these are books. What is the spelling of book? BOOK, book. And to show plural, we'll add S. These are books. We use these when we talk about more than one noun that are near to us. Whereas we use those when the objects are far away from us. I'm saying objects means more than one object, more than one noun. It can be 2 or 3, means more than one. Now let's do this exercise. What is the spelling of those? THOSE. Those. R. Again we are using R to show plural. Okay? Spelling of star is STAR, star, and there are more than one. So we'll add S to show plural. Those are stars. Next, THOSE. Those are, what are those? Those are trees. TREE, tree. S. Trees. Those are trees. What are those, children? Those are balloons. B-A-L-L-O-N-S. Balloons. What are those? Those are balloons. T-H-O-S-E. Those. A-R-E-R. Those are, what are those, children? Those are balls. B-A-L-L-S. Balls. What are those, children, now? Those are T-H-O-S-E. Those. A-R-E-R. Those are kites. K-I-T-E-S. Kites. Now what are those? Those are birds. Very good. T-H-O-S-E. Those. A-R-E-R. Those are birds. What is the spelling of bird? Very good. B-I-R-D. Bird. And there are more than one bird. So we'll add S to show plural. Now those are birds. So children, now answer me. What are these? Yes, very good. These are pencils. They are close to me. So I am saying these are pencils. These are more than one. Yes, can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are more than one and it is close to me. So I am saying these are pencils. Now answer me. What are those? Those are pencils. Again the same thing. Those are more than one pencil and those are far away from me. Yes, so the answer is those are pencils. Now these are, what are these? These are sketch pens, or these are colors. They are more than one and they are close to me, near me. So these are colors. Now what are those? Those are sketch pens. Those are colors. Now can you answer me? What are these? These are markers. These are not colors. Or we can say these aren't colors. These are markers. Now answer me, what are those? Those are markers. Those are not colors. Those aren't colors. Those are markers. Children, we use this when that one object is near to us, and we use these when the objects are more than one. Whereas we use that when that one object is far away from us, and when they are more than one, we use those. Okay children? So I hope children you can relate. This and that are used when one object is close to us or far away, and these and those are used when more than one object are close to us, near to us or far away. Here we are talking about plural. These and those we use with plural nouns, and this and that we use with singular nouns. Okay children? Now I hope you are clear with this and that and these and those. And one more thing I would say, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe to get such more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.